My phone number is 347-652-19. Can you spell my name? It's Lucy. I was born in 2005 and now I am 19 years old. My school is about 2 kilometers from my house. It takes me 15 minutes to walk there. Every morning I leave at 7:45 and buy a coffee for 2 euros on the way. My bag is about 3 kilograms heavy because of all the books inside. Text 2, the recipe says we need 250 grams of sugar and 1/2 a liter of milk. We also need 3 eggs and 200 grams of flour. I book everything in the shop at 5 o'clock in the evening. The cake will bake for 45 minutes. I spent $6 on the ingredients. My grandma taught me this recipe in 1999 when I was a small child. Now I make this cake about once a month for my family. Text 3. My little brother is 7 years old. His name is spelled Tom. He is in grade 2 at school and he likes math a lot. He can count from 1 to 100. He was born in 2017 and his birthday on May 14. Last year in 2024 he had a big party with 12 friends. My parents paid 35 pounds for his birthday cake, which was 1.5 kilograms. Text 4. Yesterday I walked 3 kilometers. It took me about 40 minutes and I felt very healthy after it. I left home at 9:15 am and come back at 10 am. My friend Anna joined me and we talked about our school project for the year 2024. The sun was shining and the temperature was about 18 degrees. We saw 2 dogs and 1 cat on the way. After the walk, we bought bottles of water for €1 each. Text 5. In the classroom, there are 28 students. 15 are girls and 13 are boys. Our teacher asked us to spell beautiful. It is Beautiful. The lesson starts at 8:30 and finishes at 9:15. We also learned how to say the number 347 in English. At the end, the teacher gave us 10 minutes to read quickly. My English book costs 12 euros and it is 250 pages long. Text 6. The table is 1.2 meters long and 60 centimeters wide. On the table, there are 4 books. One book is about history, written in 1998. Another is about science, published in 2007. I read about 20 pages each day. If I finish this week, I will have read about 140 pages. My favorite book is a storybook I bought in 2015 when I was 10 years old. It cost $15 at the bookshop. Text 7. Last weekend I watched 3 movies. The first was made in 2001, the second in 2010, and the last in 2023. My favorite was the one from 2010. It lasted 1 hour and 45 minutes. I went to bed at 11:30 p.m. and woke up at 7:15 a.m. The next day, my sister said she liked the 2001 movie best. We bought popcorn for 5 years, and the bag was 400 grams. Takes 8. My mother asked me to buy 1/4 kilogram of cheese and 2 liters of water. The shop opened at 7 a.m. and closed at 7 p.m. I spent 5 euros on the things a book. The recipe says the date 2nd of October 2025. I keep all my recipes in a small books. Sometimes I look at the receipts from last year, 2024, and see how much the price have changed. Last year the cheese was only 3 hours for 250 grams. Text 9. At school we played basketball for 19 minutes. The ball is about 7 centimeters around. Our team had 8 players. We scored 25 points and the other team scored 18. The game started at 3 p.m. and 4:30. After the game, we drank 1 liter of water each. My shoes cost $50 and they are size 42. Text 10. The train leaves at 14:25. It takes 2 hours and 15 minutes to arrive in London. The ticket costs £35. I booked it online in January 2024. My seat number is 27A. I will arrive at 16:40 and meet my cousin at the station. He said his train will arrive 20 minutes later. At 1700, a sandwich on the Rhine Cafe costs £4 and is 2000 grams. Text 11. In 1492, Christopher Columbus sailed across the ocean. The trip took more than 2 months. The ships were about 24 meters long. Columbus' name is spelled Columbus. He reached America on October 12. Many people learned about his journey in school in the years 1500. Today, students still read about him in storybooks. A ticket to visit a Columbus museum now costs 10 euros. Text 12. My bookshelf has 5 shelves. On the first shelf, I have 12 books. On the second, there are 8. On the third, there are 15, but 1/3 of them are in French. I bought my first book in 2012 when I was 10 years old. Now I have more than 50 books in total. Sometimes I read 6 or 7 books in 1 month. My most book costs $20 and it is 300 50 packs long. Thank you.